To create a quilter's knot, first you will want to thread your needle. So to thread your needle, bring your needle and your thread together and take your thread through the eye of the needle. Once it's through the eye, you'll have a shorter tail, and then you'll have your long length of thread. Using the long length of thread, bring that end up parallel to your needle and pinch it to the eye of your needle and keep hold tight. Take this end of the thread and wrap 1, 2, 3 times around your needle. Push downwards and kind of lighten up on your pinch and grab the wraps and just pull it over the eye of the needle, the wraps, and and then you're going to carry it all the way down the end of the thread, and once you reach the end of the thread with your wraps, it will have created a knot.